are about to open a door on the starboard side, which I believe is the right-hand side, and we'll do a matching speed transfer. So we'll slow it down, and the pilot boat will come alongside, match our speed, and then we'll board our pilot. After which we'll proceed toward the face of the glacier. I'll give you an update like when the pilots are up and we discuss which speed they're happy with and we are happy with, and then I'll tell you what time we will be there. But at the moment look like, let's say between 4:15 and 4:30 we should be there. I'll keep you posted, and have fun. Bye bye.